Hi everyone, I'm Dan from Scale-Tec. Today I want to show you one of the most useful new features coming to REAP for the 2026 harvest season: field recognition. During harvest, it's easy to forget to change fields on the tablet or accidentally record loads under the wrong location. Field recognition helps identify those mistakes automatically and then suggests corrections. Let me show you how it works. Field recognition only requires three things to work. First, your scale needs GPS coordinates from either a HarvestMate isobus cable or a GPS puck connected to your point scale. Second, your fields need boundaries imported from John Deere Operations Center or Case New Holland Field Ops. Third, you'll need to enable auto field recognition within your account. This feature is in beta for 2026, so it's opt-in only. You will not be enrolled automatically. You'll be prompted to turn it on during field imports or new season setup, and you can always toggle it in your account settings. Now let's see it in action. Here in my REAP account, I'll head to the Load Tickets tab. I recorded several loads on the 26th, and I'm pretty sure I forgot to update my field selection partway through the day. You'll notice some loads have an icon on the right side. That icon tells you three things. Field recognition is enabled, the load has GPS coordinates, and those coordinates don't match the assigned field. I'll click 1 to open the edit window. The map shows me exactly where the grain cart was filled and where it unloaded. And I can see right away this load was recorded at our Harley Ave location, not Highway 64 like it says. In the lower left corner, REAP shows the field or fields that actually match those coordinates. I'll select the correct one from the drop-down and click Change. The edit window updates instantly, and the grower and farm update automatically. If the fields have different commodities, you may need to fill in a destination, but otherwise, just hit update and that load is saved correctly. That means cleaner harvest records, more accurate reports, and less time spent fixing mistakes after the season. Work through the rest of the flagged loads the same way, and every load will end up exactly where it belongs. Field recognition gives you confidence in your data, even when harvest doesn't go perfectly. If you have any questions or need help with your scale, give us a call at 888-962-2344. Thanks for choosing Scale-Tec.